FLOX, the professional laser for tilers and floorers, with a front projected floor cross and a leveled wall cross. The 2-in-1 laser with protection class IP54. To start, simply insert the batteries. Or you can also use the solar lithium-ion battery for an even longer operating time. The patented laser diode reflects the floor lines in all 4 directions with an application range of up to 30 meters and an accuracy of 0.3 millimeters per meter. Thanks to the sturdy rotary foot, the FLOX can be aligned very flexibly. Additional fine adjustment allows alignments accurate to the millimeter. The FLOX has a 1/4 inch and a 5/8 inch thread for tripods. The wall cross is self-leveling, with an application range of 10 meters and an accuracy of 0.5 millimeters per meter. Perfectly suitable for laying tiles on a wall. When using the laser close to the ground, the horizontal laser line can be used to quickly check and define the floor's conditions. The floor cross can easily be used to check whether the wall is perpendicular. Once the FLOX is set up, floor covers can be laid in all 4 directions without repositioning, even over several rooms. The FLOX comes in a sturdy transport case, including laser goggles for a better visibility of the laser lines. The FLOX from SOLA is the powerful 2-in-1 laser for tilers and floorers. It guarantees a perfect visibility in all directions with its bright laser lines and convinces with its rotary foot and the millimeter accuracy of the alignment.